Hello my lovelies and welcome back to the channel. We are going to be doing a little bit of painting. Yes, we haven't worked on this for some time, but I thought, well, I need to get some of this moved again, so I've really allowed it to dry. I am going to be using this thick brush. I actually bought this for a project with Disney Cakes and Sweets, but I'm going to use it for this for the minute because that won't be done until next year. So what I'd like to do in this session is I'd like to give this bottom another coat, and then that would hopefully, that will use this up. But what I want to do before that is I want to go just into the inside of this area here to just fill it up. So I believe that was this colour. So yeah, as you can see, you don't get an awful lot in these paints, but we just need to get, God blimey, there's not a lot in there. We just have to try our best then, but basically, just, you know, give it a little bit of touching up a bit. There's not an awful lot of paint in this, so that's a bit of a shame. Now this will be the first coat, so obviously just be mindful that it's only going to be one coat at the moment, so try and get a bit more on this. Now you'll notice it's a lighter colour until it dries. Don't really need an awful lot of paint. Just enough to get around all the nooks and crannies, you know. Problem is I'm out of paint. I don't understand how it can be out of paint. But what we can do is I can find a different colour and touch that up a bit. Just going to go and get myself some water because I need to get the paintbrush dry, and then I think I'll do a bit of that. Okay, sorry about that guys, so I'm just going to get my water. This is it used to be a cup, but I turned it into a paintbrush. It's where I put all my paintbrushes because the bit at the bottom wouldn't come off. No matter how much I scrubbed it, it just wouldn't come off. So what we've got to do in here is just give it a little bit of shimmy, 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 as you can see. I haven't got no tissue, that's the problem. Let me see if I've got some. So I haven't got that, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use an old rag. So let me just get that off there and see if I can just get that paint out. That looks pretty much okay. Okay, so we're going to put that over to one side. Also, let's see how much we've got more on at the moment. What has happened here? Like, all my paints have gone. Is this some sort of wind up? Oh, okay, yellow. What do we need yellow for? Don't know about that, but red has gone, I think, as well. No, red's okay. I must have used it all up. Okay, I'll have to get another colour for that then. Damn. So what we'll do on this one, I want to try and do, I'm going to do down here, we've obviously got the nail. So I'm going to do that a different colour. I'm going to black that up. So down here, we'll give that a bit of a black effect there. Just want him to have a bit of a different colour, you know. That looks really cool. Then I'll do exactly the same on the other side. Now you can see that now is there, but I want to really give him a bit of depth in this. I want to give him a little bit more features, just to give it a bit of standing out, I think. So can you see, and then it goes into the foot with like a little bit more splash of colour rather than it all be the same sort of colour there. Okay. Then what I think I'll do is, just trying to think here. Do I do black leg going on the inside and give it a bit of maybe. But what we'll also do is here we need to give him a little bit of an eyeball ha. So I'm just going to see if I can get him a little bit of a black eye in there. Okay, and then we'll do a bit of the black eye on here as well. Oops. I'll go back over that, but can you see it gives it like a really sort of gory look. But yeah, unfortunately we've run out of paint. So what I might do, I'm going to leave that there because I'm going to have to get some more colours for this. But obviously we need to have this the same sort of colour. We can't have it yellow, so yeah, I think I'm happy with that. So I'm sorry it's a really short one. I didn't realise that the paints were so short in colour. But please remember to like, share, subscribe. Tap the bell if you want to be notified of the video. There will be a delay on this now because I'm going to have to now find alternative colours for this. But we'll try and get this up and running as best as we can. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys!